Population distribution. Distribution refers to where people live. Distribution is how a population is spread out around a country. Population can be evenly or unevenly distributed. Population density is the number of people living in a given area per square kilometer. Singapore is a country with a very high population density. Australia is a country with a very low population density. Global population is unevenly distributed. 90% of the world's population live below 500 meters in height. 5 billion people live within 200 kilometers of the coast. Physical causes. Relief. Steep or mountainous areas are hard to build on. Climate. Very hot or very cold areas have low population densities. Make supplying food and water difficult. Coastal areas offer fishing and tourism as economic activities. Coasts are also good for trading and communication, with ports developed to allow trade in goods. Vegetation. A heavily forested area like the Amazon rainforest makes it difficult for people to settle. Vegetation makes transport, services, housing harder to build. Rainforest areas also have high levels of humidity and poor soil quality, which does not help economic development. Close to a good supply of water. Water is important for drinking, washing, trading, and communication. Settlements can easily attract people if there is available water for health, as well as growing food and industry. Rivers often provide irrigation water for farming. Employment. Good transport links. Transport supports the growth of businesses, which creates opportunities for jobs and income. Supply of electricity, gas and water. Areas with reliable and sufficient sources of power can support more businesses and homes. People migrate to these areas looking for work or a better standard of living. Good quality services. People will often migrate to areas where they can enjoy higher quality services. Economic development. Development means well-being and a high standard of living. Economic factors such as income are important for development. The traditional way that levels of development are measured is by using GNI. Gross national income, the total amount of incomes earned by people in a country in a year. This includes profits and money earned by companies and citizens overseas. Internal voluntary migration. Internal voluntary migration is when people move within a country, usually for socio-economic reasons like looking for improved job prospects or services. Since 1990, China has experienced the world's largest internal voluntary migration. 160 million people have moved from rural to urban areas. Industrial cities in the East pay on average 50% more than incomes in other regions. It's caused by push and pull factors. Multiplier effect caused a boom in urban areas like Shanghai.